Missy Washi Shaka Seba
Mofantu Lawson TV.
Opa Brabo Munsem
Mofantu Lawson TV.
Akudenia Disya Anijana Babia Wajadi Munsem
And one Lawson TV.
Well, once again, you will be Aquaban Famra, Lordson TV, Lordson FM, the listener's choice. And Mras was say a day of Kensin, some iTunes, Friday for last person. Jenson Yadi Eberson Mona, Senator Diana, we aired a meeting edition Prana, a day were feeding some to me patch on Oko YouTuber, and on bet me a subscriber at Lawson TV, or subscriber notification bell. Bet me about the Senate update, latest report to be a bar, bet me a keep you updated, me patch on a day no, the best here free, I'm on Senator Diana, and say, and rather than UEFA Champions League night, Opima Chelsea, Bobo Colon, it me now 1 month, Sasha. Pejuan, Sevilla Kumani FC Porto, Etmi Eddie Ebony, Eddie Amonsen Bebasans, na PSG Bobo Kono, and Radamosun Etmi Park de Prince, and it's my friends by Minik Bobo Kono, so Etmi Eddie Buenia, Eddie Amonsen Nina, Eddie Bebra, man of the match, and Smile Etmi of course, so after the match Nina, no, Yadi Amonsem Ebebrem, we patch on a day, no, so no, match is Nibian Subitin Atuga, only at Borussia Dortmund, only at 7 o'clock p.m. on Betna Signa Iduna Park, on Manchester City, Amonson at your point, the referee free spinner, Frank Carlos De Cerro Grande, in the betting of Stitisa Camino, Sansa Liverpool, so betting Amford, nominate to my friends in Real Madrid, at me at your point, so it's a first leg, it's me and neighbor 3 goes to 1, Real Madrid Bobo connect me rain in a day, no, referee John Cooper, so it's me friend Netherlands, when betting me, Edge Finfin, at me of Stitisa Camino, the patch of PSG Bobo Colon, and after say winning against Bamlik Bobo Colon, Okosha, Omoloka, my celebration, to me, course, so. And a home and Sensilino, and yet I didn't have a patch of PH, more president, opinion friends and Asa Alcalafi at me, Akasa for a branch of friends and Nema, and a branch of a killer in Map, almost only baby alcohol, omniscience, so can once and write to me stay, oh, PH Bobo Kuna, omitting Edijuma, Sebea must beat me, I come, and a map PH Bobo Kuna patch of Bamini Bobo Kuno, after say another Mulusi, and Moon say a branch of friends Robert Lewin Wandreski in Honma, the Sonoma at me, Etosni or Bamini Bobo Kuno, and Tiametin said, opinion friends Hassan Salhamed Zicha. On it's me sporting director Edma Baminik Bobo Kuno, or she said on the opinion friends Michael Zoka, on also it's multi friends P. Dortmund Bobo Kuno, a bidding Comasebea Elect Bratalan, and so it's me about to friends Baminik Bobo Kuno, and they are some duties and everything at the Abramo. The patch of Thomas Tuchel, on it's me Chelsea Bobo Kuno, Omukuch, and rather I'm a winner, I'm meeting a winning, I'm meeting a qualified to the semi-final stage, or see with me a dedicated winning Adma Abrantia, a friend said Kilo and Abrantia was a Matthew Kovacic. Rather, it's a Abranton hamstring injury. Reporter everybody just said we can see a game against Manchester City only a FA Cup semi-final game between Atujano. And yeah, they said Abranton versus Matthew Kovacic between Bobby. So what me a dedicated winner, Edman. I'm an answer at Dawson, the Ebebura if you say so. The patch of Yanchen Ebebra said Ghana Premier League match with 20 officials net me about the more details Ebebra as time goes on. The patch of club lines is symbol and penny for sweating us about one team. Once and Chebe told Jack News Buja said to man, a friend said Brukum Chelsea, Musio Makama Brook, Musio Makai or Brukum Golden City Park no. And SM due to your Maba community and said, not more park no, more grass no. I said, I have brownish color B and green met me as a second brownish in team 24 close to stadium no. Now, and a day no, club lines is symbol at me the official letter confirmation about so many team friends Elmina Shaksa. Almost it's Monsieur Macan or Indian Sports Stadium, no, or Team as Adam Lances and Momo Baka. This weekend, games meeting Atuja or Ghana Premier League in Mono, meeting Aquacusia or various stadium respectively. Now, my patron look up more fabulous ladies are more captain friends of Rabbi Musa and chair match against Kumasi Sports Academy. A training taken as Kusa game between Kwasu or a PC Park or a Josso. Only as a women's Premier League match official with me, Germano, Pfizer to Jaka. Pfizer to Japan. On it's a referee match of the day with me, Gemna. Also, to be it me also a brother friends of Rabbi Musa. It's me a cotton and a ball referee friends at Japan. And the disciplinary committee is a Ghana Football Association. mo disciplinary committee atnas etimi assess oba no ne videos no ma etimi course match day ni nyina no they say entire say 1 year ban mo de ama abrand ababawa a friend say Rabi Musa and I find we can yet more details nyana ebe bremsans na Ghana Football Association Kent ES Okreku ona etimi president ona executive council no ebe to just say mo koto e wo sunwa ho na mo division 1 league mo so etimi base one sunwa no etimi akwa kodin komo afa hooliganism sa etimi ekoso e wo zone 1 ho e wo division 1 league mo na enra da one day ni na one day turn etimi ban we na wrap up no voices ni na ha sia Kent ES Okreku ene no it is anything didn't come our voices in your heart between edin kan between the futu etimi de ma empenifo no say the momon shese ne be ya hooliganism betimi every ball mu say the me bia so betimi akokama eno bi enso assessment nso ni na atuja efa division 1 no ene nkura se mama Ghana Football etimi edi mu ni nyina no opinion friends Kent ES Okreku etimi di tuja owie no yusu etimi friends Brekum Chelsea Boboko no e de example e ma team sa base on sunyan techiman ene bono patem wono se omo shit me friends Brekum Chelsea so na omunsuya no se de be ya nema so betimi akoyi e ma yo Ghana Premier League no Ghana Football Association no e patcho ni mako bi na etimi asoyasene oni Victoria Gasteiz ono me patcho se open liquid so papa media tutuma se open to na tu akotona so etimi nyamfa so liquid so dwumadi bia opeso didi bia no dwuma ba kwa na dwuma ba kwa me kanfo etiama no Victoria Gasteiz o tano so na se ebu akwa kwantem pono so no o yehwe Victoria Gasteiz abetimi ehu no betimi afano 0547 556854 0547 556854 oni Victoria Gasteiz me patcho Lawson Foundation o se na oba edema ekunafo mo ni bi me patcho uniska uni capital betimi ade start adwuma amane manso metimi akoyi ade ma wabrabom je se utifi unya adwuma nye amade bia da yebu oni ntia me patcho fa Honorable Lawson Foundation betimi aboa apa adwuma ade ma na betimi moska ma otum ade start adwuma ma manso metimi akoyi ade ma sasa Lawson delivery service me patcho baby bera obia no se wo hia bibi na opesa ye de bro baby bera obia no and then Lawson delivery service in komo sasa Lawson multimedia and computers me patcho say photo shoot pa na ope enye de wucha ade bechi na eni IBCBC basa enye de wucha na ochi me beduna se eni na ble me patcho ope quality picture pa dia me can full Lawson multimedia and computers aso ye na tema me patcho say graphic design pa dia amaso ye na me can for them sasa flies posters, banners, and I'm here. I'm sorry now. Person, a handle social media accounts now. A patch of embroidery, and I'll person, a Yamawa, Nina, and then Lawson multimedia computers in the inside also. I'm meeting up with me patch of me. Did media Chamino, meeting Samuel a Champo Junior, meeting Aframe Patrick Sabra, patch of meeting also subscribe to YouTube channel. On here Lawson TV, now set here online radio. On here Lawson FM. On here the listeners straight. Me patch of a time wapa. Let's say you buy the details update, and also what is in the
Lawson TV.
Opa brabo munsem.
Mofanto Lawson TV.
Akudie ni adisua. Eni jana bebia. Wedrede munsensem.
Edwani Lawson TV.
Awusia media sepanamo de oni adwuma benya adwuma na de wo adwuma so de na adwuma no eba betu brum Victoria Gasteiz was say what the liquid soap aba na liquid soap odi aba de eyedu chemu kra enanti so person wo betu a frey homa 240 0547 556 854 Victoria Gasteiz liquid soap nina ejesu no ho
me patchon and Rata UEFA Champions League no matches no be you 8 me to ja and your quarter final second legs no you 8 me to ja say din kan edema mo abana e introduction etimi edema mo no me patchon Chelsea Boboko no and Rata motna Ramos Sanchez Pizjuan ama FC Porto e be twam 1-0 on here Abrante fans Medi Tarami and etimi na only goal e sa match me patchon say first leg no Chelsea Boboko no etimi tra the same stadium etimi chitima versus FC Porto etimi e twam 2-0 on the place I'm going to say goals ni be patch of aggregate now etimi koye 2 goals to 1 and patch say Chelsea Boboko no etimi qualify to the semi-final stage one man and rather Abrante etimi man of the match no Christian Pulisic the Jonah France Captain America and etimi man of the match of the day me patch mo ko pimo Parc des Princes on a PSG Boboko no enso etimi France Bayern Munich Boboko no enso etimi de boy me patch ball ni na pa de we no Abrante France Eric Masim Chupo Motina on Cameroon this year no and etimi only goal on sa match no patch man of the match no come apprentice versus Neymar da Silva Junior and also it me every prize so me patch first leg no it me and 3 goes to 2 and my team for the PSG it me when me patch after some match na Benin aggregate no it me akoye 3-3-1 man say PSG o met me the away goal it me advance to the semi-final stage of the competition and mo train team your friends say Borussia Dortmund and Manchester City they bet me arena no when PSG in a bet me Asia or final and a semi-final game no me patch on day no game na me bet me to Jan City Borussia Dortmund bobo kono na signal Iduna Park no Manchester City et me at their boom or signal Iduna but Carlos De Cerro Grande no free Spain no and a bet me met you 15 me of City game no me patch up Shannon first leg no team first Manchester City bobo kono et me win by 2 goals to 1 or 1 no sasa na den opium Anfield or England my one man Liverpool bobo kono so et me at me from Real Madrid and so et me at their boom when you referee John Cooper so no let me from Netherlands no and a bet me of City game me patch Shannon first leg no Real Madrid bobo kono et me win by 3 goals to 1 into an opinion first Joaquin Lopez Wapa on let me manager Edmund Liverpool no on so let me I come back next and also let me qualify not only Chelsea and so let me aqua in the semi-final stage of the UEFA Champions League quarter-final and a semi-final rather me patch remember details me not your fat and seven and five me patch remember that could be PSG or locker room there can I say dressing room no after so meet me by me free moment me advance to the semi-final stage no and madam no share any jepa diamasa na enye fe dia go me patch PSG bobo kono apprenti France Mbappe na say table isi just some locker room no on a personal kimpembe and then players be ma kuma sabi yet me international say there can say BA o mutu no so mo petina mani age o PSG locker room na enye fe dia go me patch mo be no o president France Nasser Al-Khelaifi on met me penny pad ma PSG bobo kono o sin na age papa me qualification PSG bobo kono it ma qualify to the semi-final stage no on last season mo no o me ba me bobo kono it me qualify final am mo me 1-0 and it me you move na no say na age na o hesa PSG bobo kono with the likes of Apprenti France and Neymar da Silva Junior and Kylian Mbappe Lotin Donatello o met me at the PSG bobo kono et me after the UEFA Champions League Cup no et me at the Pimo Paris and also na kakra if you ba me patch ba me ki bobo kono opinion me friend Hassan Salihamidzic only opinion friend Karl-Heinz Rummenigge on it me penny pa at my ba me ki bobo kono and then penny for na akomutra pa mo say Apprenti France Erling Haaland and na ba be hot cake teams no do na medinati e ha so amonsa betimi aka Apprenti France Erling Haaland no omonso etimi abawro so no saka Apprenti no metimi abo mo ko so mo she enu ada game amotimi abo na amon lake Apprenti France Robert Lewandowski no qualities no inti e desen komo a player bit say Erling Haaland na je backup and na Robert Lewandowski and na committing your qualification o UEFA Champions League to the semi-final stage and on snake akam ne free Bayern Munich bobo kun eba me patch mu kopi mo match and because Ramos Sanchez Pejona when your coach and friends Thomas Tuchel to me na dugout and the team from Chelsea bobo kono or the seno do tournament to ja o say win and that Chelsea bobo kono team nya and no meeting qualify to the semi-final stage or the decade when ni na the ama Apprenti team free Croatia and friends Mateo Kovacic on first leg no e adeson Apprenti team kunya hamstring injury bia until the weekend game you meet ball against Manchester City o UEFA na mo FA Cup semi-final game meet me across this weekend no and there is opinion friends Mateo Kovacic no e meet me bobi ti opinion let me dedicate win no let me edemana not na kakra me free Chelsea mo bobo kun eba e patch of Bayern Munich bobo kun maso e and na dem after some lose ye nyina o petima in the UEFA Champions League no o met me unbeaten or away run setting be away pa na say what me akwa win and akwa win ya so betima sana Bayern Munich 18 games ni nyana say Bayern Munich team akwa away o UEFA Champions League competition amonso etime lose only the longest unbeaten run in the UEFA Champions League and also like a free Bayern maso eba me patch FC Porto mo coach opinion for the Sergio Conceição and so met me akasa say em la no you're proud on the boys no o she Media Pepe and Sergio Rivera mo Apprenti France Otavio mutimi na Janeti and ma FC Porto na masa na so ni na enso ka chentu wa nya gani bia she bia no me patch on Lawson TV otimi kwa YouTube channel no dey say betimi streaming game live one man no so betimi enya juma bi ni bia tomorrow o so o body place na but even though say no ada o meeting am qualified to the semi-final stage but o share performance and water boys no betimi e Janeti na say we man so betimi e koye di ma FC Porto and also and send ka FC FC Porto Bobo Kono aswe eba Pacho Kelo Navas keeper Ed Matima if as a PSG Bobo Kono Pacho Upe goalkeeper so I'm saying about 2 legs first and second leg pa dia so bet me lose game no then you keep a Kelo Navas Gambio and rather says out me my PSG Bobo Kono it was really fantastic I know can be na PSG na dey no met me book you ticket met me Euro semi final me part in the picture we can part of 2020 last season in the UEFA Champions League final game team a David Alaba, Bayern Munich player, after some team say PSG 1-0 no, with me console so console a Brent versus Neymar da Silva Jr. Etim kasa na Brent and shedding because he game and then about couldn't beat my winning. I'm going to Jacob Nisium and some part another. After say PSG and so me Bayern Munich from win the semi-final stage no. Neymar so echo David Alaba the same thing Alaba meet me catch no. So I say Libya on so team catch so one shedding game and then about couldn't beat my winning, but couldn't beat me qualified in him. Inti NS PSG Bobo Kono etima qualifier David Alaba and support woman as we team konkoje the ultimate trophy no and fence na so na kakra if you over the patch Chelsea Bobo Kono open England team on so etimi aye more and awura more o UEFA Champions League semi-final stage they say Chelsea Bobo Kono ba be di kan and na da show betimi say FC Porto no musu etimi ababeli dia musu etimi akon esemetima qualify 8 times o UEFA Champions League semi-final game and no sene kakra if you over patch appointed another Oshego Edma FC Porto Bobo Kono Mediterranean and also about the first Iranian and as a player of free Iran but him Ashego or UEFA Champions League quarter final stage next appointed and Madonna Mother Manso it mission no sharing say headbutt beer with me here can say damnation on Ghana has over second damnation and I'm appointed my friends Mediterranean as we it me the Oshego Edma FC Porto Bobo Kono the party the match and Barcelona or Penya friends Zinedine Aziz Zidane it me to tournament Edma Bobo Kono opinion on let me akasa bibripi o see and again no go all out to give you maximum to say performance na let me up my Real Madrid Bobo Kono and so let me qualify say na nya so let me defend o mo attack team friends Liverpool Bobo Kono no ma play good football say be let me win let me qualify kwa share Chelsea Bobo Kono oni opinion friends Zinedine Zidane na so na this SM if you over we am na so besides that opinion friends Jurgen Klopp club to na cast opinion no and that's Real Madrid Bobo Kono opinion deserve so coach na also sembe na oka oso onu de onim se opinion fan Jurgen Klopp no ofeti Real Madrid adwuma na so ofeti nim no no adwuma Edma Liverpool ana no Zidane no aso adwuma Edma Real Madrid to obia enye na adwuma ana na kakra free amana nsimo eba ene ya tona se de Bremo on is a Lawson TV de Flash Sports no yeso de Bremo patchon jemwem wo efisem kakra na se ya rap up na se Jumeke di one so intimate start ya me patchon Ghana Premier League no match day 20 say the person officials na me about me patchon the best chance on the Friday 16th of April 3:00 p.m. Accra Great Olympics Olympiade Olimashi Abozue omo trefenom ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko so me inform team omo so let me base one Kumasi asino on the bomo Accra Sports Stadium referee Clement Nkua ene betimi etem finfin etimi atotonioma sansa on Saturday on Mina Sharks Bobo Kono Cape Coast Stadium no West African Football Academy on referee Isaac Osai ene betimi edisa game no Patrick Kinfesa Bobo Kono na so betina ohene amaya park Chiman, no man as good and so at me at your point. When you refer friends of Mali in Gedi Arini, and a bit in edit cycle, no, the patron Upium or Santa, game a bit in up to Johnny Brucum chance in a Bushna drops, mysterious on the patron, so many are brand friends, Jintu Morishita. Into meeting the moye de ye papa, Momenta Brucum Golden City Park, no to my friends, a Bushna drops at me at your point. When you refer friends of Mohammed Miss Bow, never edit cycle, no, but your dreams have in Santa Carola United, between their bond with the Theatre of Dreams, and age man what Tampuri, Mediama Sporting Club Limited, and in Legon Cities, between their bueno Takwa Akon Park, and near Mahama Awuntuma, and between Edisa Game, but your Bechem United, Drama Stars, and so between their boom, oh, Bechem Park, and near reference Ali Musa, and also between Edit Sagame, Honma, and also like a crab before about the Patrick Techman 11 wonders. They say, oh, your home grounds on Eddie Free or Henry Amaya Parker, and so Monsieur Makai or Boiseling Klein Stadium, Omnitive Professor Liberty Professionals, and so between Edjapuma, Professor Maxwell Owusu, and between Edisa Game, Sasna Hasselfolk Bobo Kono, when you are regional derby, Motram Accra Sports Stadium, nominate international alliance, and so Etime Edjaponia, Abdullah Ibrahim, and between Edjam Fifth Center referee, now it's me officially game no amani ma so etimi come so far winning match officials am Ghana Premier League match day 20 ometimi etem 15 etimi officiated games no ediama various teams and also na kakra free Ghana Premier League am bobo kun ma so eba e patronye ko prima club lines is important once enche e to dress team am friends Brokum Chelsea Omango Premier friends Brokum Golden City Park no park na lesson no se kanta na ejiji mu nya no etimi arena chance na park no airlines na was on any is a field na kasa na green no turf no that is some etimi achi ni color na aya brownish color enti the club licensing board of the Ghana Football Association etimi ban to so say enya ni bitimi asi akan e wo hono ebiemu na ene day no report am here back to media so yensa e kan say Brokum Golden City Park any Indonu Sports Complex no e say bi bia ayo ready various teams no ebetimi akwakosi akan respectively enti Brokum Golden City Park no Brokum Chelsea this week no akwakosi akan hono sasa Emina Sharks go kono aso ebetimi akwakosi akan o Indonu Stadium o no na bi bia so etimi aye kama part of Fabulous Ladies na so only Women's Premier League etimi ekoso Ghana Football Association na say ekoso o hasenu part of kopiem o Kese Park ani park etimi eda etuso Fabulous Ladies omutimi esi omakan hono mo omne Kumasi Sports Academy etimi ede bomu o Ghana Premier League na apana match ekoso no referee na otimi champion Faiza to Japan and center referee ultimate AD game between team of friends of Fabulous Ladies and in Kumasi Sports Academy. Only a team no. Me partner referee me kwaji is misconduct be Emma Baba my friends of Rabbi Musa. Only let me sign and my Fabulous Ladies no. And to me and as a to me opportunity about referee Faiza to Japan and your banner ultimate game. Emma said referee team met me as why and then the disciplinary committee got national. I will say oh your bar also online now. Boni kwansa odonsa ekobo referee to we misconduct any kwansa no football say and football related activities one entire things about 2000 Ghana cedis there matin afane ababa our friends Rabbi Musa usina kan Fabulous Ladies Society captain say so metin am 1 year ban say football party any kwansa ababa wa friends Rabbi Musa metin shebi onana kakra me fiwa na me patron na there sorry so no the Ghana Football Association president Kate E.S. Okreku, and then the executive council and the vice president Mark Enim Ato. Mina it's me a boy on the northern side. Mukopi Musunya, any teams in Division 1 clubs, and it's me a good team come up for hooliganism. Air Cosmo over Division 1 side, Zone 1 Hormone. You might enter your better as a regular poor referee, better as a player win, and a team win. At me, I say the opponent. No, I said suddenly, I never said a boy or football. As a football team, they have to comport to yourself. And I say, and no man should let me acquire man to more point. I say 1 year tournament and a 1 day tournament. It's me a cosmo. The Ghana Football Association president and then executive council meeting with another 1 day wrap up nina meeting by the way or the seminar do journal back meeting to jam edin can catch a team say open football party Brokum na Sunya Maka hon into send man activity attention the image of Sunya Brokum Bonnet Techman pattern one no into mon cause non comportement we was the advice society made the mama said they can say hooliganism so you play na intimidate to opponent no and then they say oh football and I will also to referee no e say ni kwan say etimi esi wo football no into best club ni na say omunja side no and the Ghana Football Association president Kate E.S. Okreku and the sense ni tuja we are side tuja say teams now mo basis Sunya Brokum Techman ni no mo fatima friends Brokum Chelsea bobo kono and emfato example na mo sham the way mo si comport no the way mo si jomuni in terms of management in terms of the playing body technical team ni na no mo she the way Brokum Chelsea bobo kono e jomuni na mo she so no timi emfa no run on club no na nyama so entimi enkoyi enfom na bibia so enye kama me pacho Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo former player a branch friends Kwame Opoku and Madam Ukopiem Algeria there's an unveiling etimi person approach me passing the medicals no a branch friends Kwame Opoku Beye officially it's me unveiling so a player at man to my friend USM Oja a basic Algeria announcement kakra before Bentino I had a member when the media friends of Full Sports Libesi. Yes, sorry, so my father and Chakassia Pie Morton, the chief executive officer at my Lawson TV and Lawson FM. The listeners to Nanaja Akumia, they say you try to say, yet I was new media with the Edipo Ghana, my Kumasmani, of course, Asante, say what my boy is, and I'm also an in, so it's me a year tomorrow. say yakopon se mo hia na de wo ye bia no enkoso wano na de odun sabeso bia no enye kama enfama one wabusua na MCL Big Ben on so bia chia say open abrant on so a boy my hard working guy e wo kumase ne mpatamu dia one Big Ben ana manager Manasi the word changer and also etimi base on European say Jumedi no on friend they go so monitor no so can be na otimi boy Jumedi atimi say Friday plus post no yes we get the bro Jumedi am ya atimi the Fridays plus post on Lawson TV Lawson FM the listeners to TT sorry me dim Samuel Echampo Jr. Obetim afreme Patrick Sabaya so na say program e do on so etimi atu we entimo fide ni free a temuchuku na ye won pa Edman Lawson TV and I make am for Edman Patrick ukoye YouTube channel no Lawson TV now subscribe to your YouTube channel and notification bell no what boss so say the update latest report be aba yes we bet me keep you updated. Yadamasi.